A member of Parliament for North West Manchester, Michael Phillips, says the government may have to find more money to fix the Troy Bridge along the Manchester-Trelawney border. Now, the bridge collapsed in 2021 and has forced residents to use makeshift structures to get to their destinations and now raises concerns about safety while crossing the Hectors River.
Madam Speaker, when I look at the bridge last week, the 170 million preliminary costs that National Works Agency have spoken about is going to be more, because the river training that now has to be done because of how the river has now taken away the banking of the river bank of the land area. It is even more a risk and a threat to the adjoining communities.
In the meantime, Mr. Phillips is calling for an overhaul to governance structure for members of Parliament. He says their role has been limited, for example, debushing and fixing roadways.
If we had a system that is better financed and constructed for routine maintenance on our roadways, with scheduled debushing programs and a consistent check on quality assurance for work performed, this would certainly make our people better off. But the system that is now in place is one where some of us are at the mercy of government ministers. Yes. And if that minister does not find favor in you, dog, nyam your supper.